Welcome. If you're looking to stay connected and never miss important updates from your LinkedIn groups, enabling in-app notifications for group updates is essential, especially with the latest LinkedIn update for PC. Today, I'll walk you through each step to make sure you're always in the loop with your professional communities. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn on your browser and log into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is where you'll find all your personal settings and account options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your main settings page, where you can control everything from your account security to your notification preferences. Now, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Notifications. This section is dedicated to how and when LinkedIn keeps you informed about activity related to your account and groups. Scroll down until you find the Groups section. Click on it, and you'll see several notification categories related to your LinkedIn groups. Here, you want to focus on group updates. This is the setting that controls notifications for new posts, discussions, and other group activities. To enable in-app notifications, simply toggle the switch next to group updates to the on position. This ensures that every time there's a new update in your groups, you'll receive a notification directly within LinkedIn No more missing out on important conversations or announcements. Remember, you can further customize your notifications for each group by visiting the group's homepage and clicking the notifications icon next to the group name. Here, you can choose to get notified about all new posts, just highlights, or turn off notifications for that group entirely, depending on your preferences. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled in-app notifications for group updates on LinkedIn using your PC. Stay connected, stay informed, and make the most of your LinkedIn groups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your notifications to stay ahead in your professional network.